Have you ever wondered why the sky is blue or why a rainbow has so many colors? Light is a form of energy that travels in waves and can bounce off different surfaces. When light hits a smooth and shiny surface like a mirror, it reflects at the same angle. This is called specular reflection. That's why we can see ourselves in mirrors and create optical illusions. On the other hand, when light hits a rough or uneven surface like a wall, it scatters in different directions. This is called diffuse reflection. The color of the sky and the rainbow are caused by the reflection and refraction of sunlight in the atmosphere. Sunlight is made up of different colors, or wavelengths. When sunlight hits the air molecules in the sky, it scatters blue light more than other colors, making the sky appear blue on a clear day. When sunlight hits water droplets in the air, it refracts and reflects inside the droplets, splitting into different colors and forming a rainbow. If you want to learn more about the reflection of light and other physics topics, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.